Good afternoon, I'm Kyle Mello, owner-operator of Paver Restoration. We're over here in Hudson, Florida, where we have turboed all the weeds and grass. It was insane here, you'll see in the video. Cleaned all the pavers, added all new sand from Florida Silica Sand, and we sealed it with URASEAL H2O. URASEAL is an amazing product. It not only enhances your pavers, gives it a nice shine or sheen, it locks in the joint sand, which is extremely important, especially here in Florida. Some of the things we do differently is we take pictures of your entire property when we first get here. Then we go ahead and we pre-treat everything. We surface clean, we do a high volume rinse before we even think about adding in the new sand. What we use is we use a silica sand from Florida Silica Sand, which is the correct cleaned and dried sand. After that's all said and done, we let it dry in, we spot sand everything, and then we go ahead and we start our sealing process. So give us a call at 352-282-2886 or click down here and we will go ahead and give you a free quote and we'll get you on the schedule.